Advertise on Pinterest. Hey guys, alright? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you all the initial steps for you to start advertising on Pinterest. Do you like videos like this? There are already other related videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, I'm always making videos to help you guys. The first step is for you to access the website of the manager for you to make ads on Pinterest. I'm going to click up here. It's this one, edge.pinterest.com. This is the website for you to advertise on Pinterest. And you're going to go to the website to create your business account so you can advertise on Pinterest. You can click on Create Business Account down here. Then you'll create your free business account on Pinterest. It's going to show you your email here. If your email is not correct, you can click on Disconnect here to create a new account. I'm going to click down here to continue. And that's it. You've created your Pinterest Ads Manager. Choose the currency. I've picked the Brazilian real, but choose carefully because you can't change that later. Click here to continue. Enter your birth date here. You need to agree to the advertising contract to advertise. If you have any questions, just click on Read. If you agree, just click on Accept. And that's it, guys. The ad account was created on Pinterest. Don't miss the next videos showing you how to add your credit card so you can advertise here on Pinterest. Do you have any questions? Post them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for me. Big hug and God bless. Thanks, guys.